day I'm going to change a couple of suspension parts for the Pontiac G6. This is the two parts. I'm planning to change. Let's lift it and get the wheel off. Okay, so let's remove the tire. Okay, so what are we looking here for? So ripped off. Ripped off. Let's change it. I'll change the outer tire end first. Oh wow, it even jumped. So it made the life even easier. So we need a hammer. Okay, so basically this nut is need to go this way. And nothing to hold on with. So I need to manage to spin this thing to the left. It can spin out. Nice and easy. And this one have a locking nut. So about to right here. Let's get my wrench. Get the locking. this kind of a wiring from like a Home Depot or something. It's about like, I think it's like $10 or something. Okay, so now we need to work with this thing. It's gonna be 18 also. Stabilizer link. Come on. I don't feel like to work with wrenches. But I would have to do it on the other side. So this job is a little bit different. You have to use a couple of tools. Okay, so after we jacked up, I'll show you how I took the bottom bolt. So you would have to have a 18, put it on, and this one is holding by, I think it's a size 8. So it's like so, and then they're holding the 8. And then you are wrenching it out, just like so. So let's get our new one. So new one have this kind of a nut kind of a section, or the alien wrench right here, and of course it's coming with a Loctite nuts. I don't even see top or bottom. Oh well. There was supposed to be top or bottom. It's fine. Okay, so let's see what size it's going to be. Probably 18. Oh no, it's actually different size. Maybe 19. Let's see on 19. 19. But a long socket. Okay. Top is good. Let's do the bottom. 19 socket. go ahead and... Oh, of course it's spinning. Oh, come on. So we need to use a 18 and the alien wrench right here. So I'll use a T40 and I'll hold from the other side. Just like so. So after we're done, let's lower the suspension. Get our wheel back. Number 19. Let's feel. Okay, looks good.